Solitaire Cash is the easier option for beginners because its core game is simple solitaire, while Pool Payday adds competitive 8-ball matches, skills rules, cash entry requirements, and location restrictions. By the end, you'll know which app is easier to learn, which one involves more financial risk, and what you should check before entering a cash competition. Start with Solitaire Cash. The basic concept is straightforward. Play solitaire, enter eligible tournaments, and compete based on your performance. You don't need to learn real-time multiplayer controls or understand pool physics before you can play. Solitaire Cash does have a learning curve when you move into cash tournaments. Your results determine whether you win, and cash competitions can require an entry fee. There is also a withdrawal requirement beginners need to know about. Solitaire Cash can require identity verification before allowing cash withdrawals. The verification process can require a government-issued photo ID and a selfie. The app support documentation says withdrawals are normally received within 2 business days, although processing can take up to 14 days. Now compare Pool Payday. Pool Payday is an 8-ball pool game with real money competitions powered by skills. The game is easy to understand if you already know how to play pool, but the competitive system adds more steps for a beginner. You need to understand how skills cash competitions work, which competitions you're eligible for, how entry fees work, and how withdrawals are processed. Cash competitions are also not available everywhere. Skills restricts real money competitions in certain locations, so check eligibility before depositing money. The financial risk is different too. With Solitaire Cash, you're competing in solitaire tournaments where the outcome depends on your game performance. With Pool Payday, cash competitions can require paid entry. If you lose the competition, you can lose the amount you entered. If you win, your prize depends on the specific competition. That makes Pool Payday less beginner-friendly if you've never used a cash gaming app before. There's also a difference in withdrawal systems. Solitaire Cash has its own documented withdrawal process, while Pool Payday uses skills for the cash side of the game. Skills' terms say withdrawals can take up to 90 days, and a check processing fee of up to $2 can apply to withdrawals below $18. So, the beginner verdict is, Solitaire Cash. Choose Solitaire Cash. If you want a simpler game and a more direct introduction to real money, solitaire tournaments. Choose Pool Payday if you already enjoy 8-ball pool and you're comfortable learning skills' cash competition system. Before spending money, check the current entry fee, prize amount, withdrawal method, identity requirements, and location restrictions. The key difference is simple. Solitaire Cash is easier to learn, while Pool Payday gives you a more competitive multiplayer experience. If you want more straightforward comparisons of real money apps, like the video and subscribe.